Intermittent fasting has become a popular way to lose weight and improve overall health. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting and has been shown to have numerous benefits for both weight loss and overall health. However, incorporating intermittent fasting into your diet can be challenging, especially if you're new to the concept. In this video, we'll discuss how you can incorporate intermittent fasting into your diet for weight loss. Firstly, it's important to understand the different types of intermittent fasting. There are several methods, but the most popular ones are the 16/8 method, the 5-2 method, and the alternate day fasting method. The 16/8 method involves fasting for 16 hours a day and eating during an 8-hour window. The 5-2 method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. The alternate day fasting method involves fasting every other day. Once you've chosen a method that works for you, it's important to plan your meals accordingly. During your eating window, it's important to consume nutrient-dense foods that will keep you full and energized. This means focusing on whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoiding processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks is key to maintaining weight loss and overall health. During your fasting period, it's important to stay hydrated and keep your mind occupied. Drinking water, herbal tea, or black coffee can help you stay hydrated and keep hunger at bay. Keeping yourself busy with work, exercise, or hobbies can also help distract you from hunger pangs. In addition to planning your meals, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your fasting window as needed. If you're feeling overly hungry or experiencing negative side effects, such as headaches or dizziness, it's important to adjust your fasting window accordingly. Gradually increasing your fasting window over time can also help your body adjust to the changes. Incorporating intermittent fasting into your diet for weight loss can be challenging, but with proper planning and dedication, it can be a highly effective tool for achieving your weight loss goals. Remember to focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. Staying hydrated and busy during your fasting period, listening to your body, and adjusting your fasting window as needed. With these tips and a bit of patience, you can successfully incorporate intermittent fasting into your diet and achieve your weight loss goal.